In this video, I'm going to show you what sells on stock photography website so that you can shoot accordingly and make more money. Coming up. Hi everyone, I'm Harshvardhan and welcome to harshvardhanart.com. In this video, basically I'm going to show you what kind of images sell on stock photography website so that you can shoot accordingly and you can make more money by selling your images online on those stock photography websites. So for this purpose, I am using the istockphoto.com, but you can literally use any of the stock photography website to get this insight. So this insight is very important because many people are confused what to shoot for selling on stock photography website, what can make them more money. In this video you will find the answer to that, and make sure you stay till the end of the video because in the end you will find what would be the next video so that you don't miss that. So in order to find what sells on the stock photography websites, so you need to visit one of the website, and for this purpose I am using the iStock photo, and you can use any other website like Shutterstock or dreamstime.com or any other website to find out what sells on the stock photography website. So for this purpose I am on the iStock by Getty Images. So what you have to do over here, you need to just come over here on the search panel and you can just type any of the keywords related to your videos. So for this purpose, let's say travel, and if I just click on that, you will see lots of results over here. And to find out what sells and what doesn't, you have to come on the left side, and over here you can see it has sorted these images by the best match. So best match according to your search term, and that is the travel. And if you click on the newest, it's going to show you the newest items which has been uploaded recently with the tag travel or related to the tag travel. And if you come literally on the just next to it, and there is a option that is called the most popular. So if you click on this, it's going to show you all the results which are the top sellers. So if you are shooting the images like this or similar to this, then it's likely to sell more on the stock photography websites. So you can see that this woman is just walking by with the travel bag, and these two persons or this couple is sitting on the sunset or sunrise, and this is the, you can see the travel image where the laptop, mobile, diary, passport, etc. is just lying on the table, and that's the top shot. And over here you can see this is an airport shot, and again this is the background, this lady with the backpack. Again you can see this one is again of airport, and you can see this one. So if you just shoot these kind of images, you will most likely to make more money on the stock photography website. So let me just now search for religion. So you have to do this for any kind of keywords, and that's going to show you the images, and you have to sort them with the most popular. So you can see with related to the religion tag, you will see that there's this image. So it's been selling like a hot cake, and earlier there were some website which were showing you the exact number that how many times this image has been downloaded, but nowadays they have removed for the reason that suppose there is a company who wants to use suppose this image, and it would see that there is already a higher number of download. That means the same image has been used by many other businesses or the competitors, and they don't want to replicate them. So that was the one of the reason that the stock photography or most of the stock photography websites have stopped showing you or displaying that how many times that image has been downloaded. So you can see the next one is this one, this one, this one. So you have to do this thing that you have to find out what are the popular images and then try to shoot similar kind of images, and you are most likely to make more money on any of the stock photography website. All you have to do, just go to any of the website, just search for the key terms and then sort the result with the most popular tag or most popular filter, and you will get an insight what kind of images sell on stock photography website. And that's the easiest way to find out what sells on the stock photography website. So thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed today's episode. If you did, hit the like button. If you did not like the video, hit the dislike button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. The next video would be the Instagram swipe up hack without having 10,000 subscribers. So don't miss that video. And if you don't want to miss that video, make sure you subscribe this channel and turn on all the notifications by pressing the bell icon. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next episode. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you.